vibe.
Oh yeah, can't clear. Pepper rice, Ogugoa pepper rice.
Why are you dancing now?
Pepper rice, pepper rice.
You get vibes, so I don't get.
This is how I entertain my customers.
How do you say how much they play?
Depends on what you want. I have beans, I have plantain, I have spaghetti, I have
rice and plantain, please. Yes.
Pepper rice, Ogugoa pepper rice. Hey. Custom. I will. Pepper rice, Ogugoa pepper rice. Go.
You go farm.
No, nasty.
Okay. And I like beef. I don't like beef.
I put.
I don't go before that.
Oh, when did they say that?
How much?
My money.
How much?
500.
500.
Pepper rice, Ogugoa pepper rice. Oh, pepper rice, Ogugoa pepper rice. Hey, customer! My fast.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Pepper rice, Ogugoa pepper rice. Oh, sweet rice, Ogugoa sweet rice. Oh, delicious rice, Ogugoa pepper rice. Oh.
Back to Alicia Mechaka, very hot and sweet, yo. Ogugoa pepper rice, yo. Ogugoa pepper rice. Anyhow you want them, she go put them for you. Ogugoa pepper rice. Ogugoa beans in our sauce. Ogugoa pepper rice. Plantain and meat is over.
Nah, my man.
I want him to have. No, Ogugoa never come. What did that happen? You be Ogugoa. Who be Ogugoa? OFFV now. Everything be OFFV now.
Our funny food vendor. Now what for you, guy?
That lady, that comedian.
Yes, now.
Maybe she go soon come now. Don't say me I didn't need for years. I know too know. Listen, she go soon come. Maybe 1 or 2 things done.
Guy, 12 done now. Intestine done they do cha. No we to hard now, guy. Body no be firewood.
It's bagoon now, guy. I dey hungry scatter, but no just dey work now. Maybe she go soon show now. Just dey work. If I check that tire. Go work, lazy man.
Guy, body no be firewood. Come on down.
Good morning, my guy. Odigo.
Normal.
Yeah.
Open and a boy.
Odigo. Guy, just dey work, lazy man. Go do something.
Pepper rice. Ogugoa pepper rice. Pepper rice. Ogugoa. I don't just dey sell food. I dey sell, I dey entertain. Pepper rice. Ogugoa pepper rice. Make I cook for you. How much show you want today?
As usual now.
Pepper rice. Ogugoa pepper rice. Oh.
I believe you that. Just add that kind of about when you do am.
I go you no worry.
Every time I go fight.
Poor man. Roundabout.
Every time I go fight, I go argue.
Wetin again I dey put spaghetti beans.
Bag now, beans, just sit down now. I dey be now.
50-50. Like
Pepper rice. Ogugoa pepper rice. Oh. I'm here. Oh, customer.
You say one buy.
Yeah.
You get money?
no be person want money, no you lose money for you.
Pepper rice. Ogugoa pepper rice.
I beg, give me spoon.
Pepper rice. Ogugoa pepper rice.
Put my own now.
Pepper rice.
Ogugoa pepper rice.
Hot rice. Ogugoa hot.
As they hot.
I dey put for everybody. Go reach everybody. Be calming down. Pepper rice. Ogugoa pepper rice.
Come on it down.
Okay, run your bone. I
rice go
get
finish,
everybody. No, customer.
Apa Ogugoa man. Nonsense so.
Rice no go finish.
You will not finish. Pepper rice. Ogugoa pepper rice.
Ogugoa, give me spoon now. Give me spoon.
Ogugoa pepper rice.
I go serve myself for killing now.
Don't worry.
For you.
I'm not just selling rice. I am selling rice and I'm entertaining you.
Hey, take your money.
That's why I'm the best. Am I not the best?
You are the best now. You get kanda.
No, not than that today.
When you slice sweet.
You go reach everybody.
Don't tell this woman now. Make me rice
You
now.
go reach.
I'm going to give you.
Rice day. Pepper rice. Ogugoa pepper rice. Oh.
You never dey return.
Are your own? No. This brother go beat
You
you.
get salad.
No, salad no dey today.
You be like say.
The one wey I carry come yesterday, una no buy am.
That one before I come, you don't run now.
Nah, she like me for la. Man, no say so.
Anyway. Never. This market is something else.
Now I ask you, who is your neighbor? Listen to me, Ogugoa. I can never be a neighbor to a witch. You are a witch. And I tell you something, you and your husband will crumble for all the evil you've done against me.
Rosa, are we quarreling?
Are we not quarreling before, pretender? Backstabber! Are we not quarreling before? Listen to me. You see you and that your God-forsaken miserable husband. I have declared war between us.
What?
It is
Why?
war. Going forward from today, it is war between us. Otherwise, it is war. It is war, and you will crumble for all the evil you've done against me. Go back. People.
Yay! The yard! So this is how you just wake up. Trouble will just come like that. The only thing I said was never. With excitement, why is she not talking to me like that? I don't want trouble at all. Nobody should look for my trouble. If you people are carrying trouble up and down, I'm unavailable. I know they see me. Obi,
didn't you hear me calling your name?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear. My mind was just somewhere.
Your mind was somewhere. By the way, what are you doing here all alone?
I'm thinking there's something bothering me.
Thinking? Thinking about what?
Nah, Ikewu. I'm thinking about Rosaline and Nebo. Do you know today,
when I was coming back from the market, I saw her as usual now.
Eh.
So I greeted her, her neighbor. I was even telling her that the next day she shunned me. Ifumba. She called me all manner of names. She insulted me. She even insulted you, sir.
Me?
And I'm wondering why. Because I'm certain I haven't done anything wrong to her.
Wait, she called my name too?
Yes. She said you're a bitch, you're this. She said so many things that I don't like. But my only worry is why? Like why?
Papa, I don't have time for women and their gossip. Please come and give me food.
This is not women gossip.
Come.
Yeah, no problem. Let me come.
Isaiah, come.
You're shocked. Hey! Bloody pretenders. Bloody backstabbers. Hypocrites everywhere. Imagine that evil girl coming to me today. Neighbor, after everything. Trust me, I gave it to her immediately. Back to back. Hey! Hold it there. I'm not your neighbor. I can never be a neighbor to a witch married to a wizard. Never! Ever. Not in this life.
Rosarine, I don't tell you, make you forget this thing.
Anna, you'll forget what? It can never happen. I can never forget it. You don't know me. In my dictionary, there's nothing like forgiveness or forgetting. Never! That evil has already declared war. And war, I mean battle, that is what she will get. I warned her already to stay away from anything that concerns me and my family. Because if she dare cross my line in this compound,
Rosarine, you know your problem for this life, because you know they take advice. Your husband advise you, tell you, say, leave this matter, you don't want hear. You don't want hear. Okay then.
Hold your advice. You need your advice more than me. Hold it there.
Okay. Good night.
Good night again. We go dagaram. No be by cho. We go digaram. My sister, this life is actually very scary. It's very scary how humans can pretend for a living. Imagine that someone will just finish backstabbing you and gossiping you, saying all sorts of bad things about you behind your back. And then still have the audacity, the demonic impetus to smile at your face.
You don't know? Hey, that's why the saying goes, who is holding behind you? My dear, people can pretend for Africa.
Trust me, I gave it to her immediately. When she saw me, she wanted to come and do, hey, I hushed up.
That's my girl.
And I warned her, never in her life will she see me and greet me. Good. Angel. I even went ahead to call her and her husband, which is a wizard. Yes, this is what they are.
Wait, are you serious?
My sister, you don't need to be flying in the night to be a witch.
Of course.
That particular attitude of hers signifies a witch.
She looked like one. But what is a wizard for?
Yes, now, babe, if you are a witch and you have a husband, your husband automatically becomes a wizard. You don't know.
Witches and wizard.
Yes.
Give me 5.
Just like Mr. and Mrs.
Babe, give them hot. Before she give you fire, sure say you yourself now fire.
So you should calm down. She will still carry that her 2 left leg to come and tell you here what I've been doing to her.
That's her young
I will make that our compound a living hell for her. I promise her.
I trust you.
Oh God.
I trust you. Babe, give it to them. that her leg will be like yam leg.
Pepper rice, Hold on.
Person they call you.
The person waits my service one finish. No, he never finish. Bring my food.
All of them are much.
All the things.
All the
like that. No.
You know what make
You don't know what that people do.
Wow.
Pepper rice. Where my money? Can I go collect that for now? I don't want credit today. Pepper rice. Hello? Neighbor. Wait neighbor, what did you say?
Neighbor, there's a very big problem in the yard right now.
Are you serious or you're joking?
Rosa got your husband naked.
Jesus! She did what?
Rosa removed your husband's wrapper while they were having a little misunderstanding. The whole yard is on fire right now, no. Your husband stood stark naked. Everybody saw your husband's nakedness, including children.
Can you hear? In fact, I'm coming to that compound now. Mother God. Don't worry, I'm coming. Wait, customer, there's emergency. Wait.
Hello? Hello? She has dropped. She didn't even wait for me to give her the whole information. Hi.
Self first, now they go down.
Give me that.
Wait, customer, there's emergency. Wait, I'm coming back. I will
Give me that now.
Wait, I'm coming.
Mama. Ogugoa.
Customer, ahead. My container there here 40 feet in now. Take care of this thing. Muna wait.
What's your mama? See your car.
I give me. I go keep person today.
What's in happen now?
I go keep somebody.
Come, you go show me before you come back, oh. You go show me before you come back.
You were wrong. You admit it. How was I wrong? No, Georgina, how was I wrong? You are young. I got to the toilet door first with my tissue paper and my buckets. I only remember that I had something on the fire. I quickly ran to go and put it down. On coming back, this wicked, demonic, frustrated, poor vulcanizer that I know must have monitored me. He must have seen me going back to my room to go and put off the fire. He ran inside, locked the door behind me. Is it that he's blind that he couldn't see my tissue paper and buckets there?
But that's not enough reason for you to strip a full grown up man naked now.
A full grown man should act like a full grown man. I will even strip him once I'm naked.
Naked.
But besides, as long as he came and saw the toilet door open, he has every right to go in and use the toilet.
My point is that see, you cannot use your bucket or tissue paper to secure a position in the toilet. It's either you're inside or you're outside.
That's it.
I have heard. Look at them. George and Georgina's. Okay, stop here. Stop. Gloria! Neighbor, can you hear me? What happened?
Your husband came back to use the toilet. He was tying on the wrapper. Rosa already had her water and tissue in front of the toilet door. But she went to check her food on the fire.
Wait, to cut the whole story short. Toilet. Is he my husband or Rosa?
It was your husband though. It was your husband, but Rosa was already waiting, shouting, trying to bring down the whole compound. And immediately your husband came out from the toilet. Rosa drew his wrapper from his waist. Yes.
Wait. Was my husband wearing boxers?
Nothing. He was not wearing anything.
Pants?
No, nothing.
So my husband thing was dangling?
He was stark naked and his thing was dangling like this.
Hey!
He was not wearing anything.
Hey. Wait, you mean that everybody saw my husband on Tata?
Everybody in this compound, including children.
My mother will commit murder.
Rosa! You people are blaming me. You are blaming me. Let me tell you something. Rosa there is not shaking. Enolia, I am not shaking. Lady, you don't stop them.
Allow me to deal. I will kill you and go to jail.
No wahala. It is me and you in this compound.
You will not do anything.
You will see.
You will not see this compound. You will do your work. Allow me to deal. I will kill you and go to jail.
No wahala. It is me and you in this compound.
You will not do anything.
You will see.
You will not see this compound. You will do your work. If you do anyhow, I will beat you again. Come back, let me teach you a lesson. Every time Rosa, now I go to the left. Are you mad? Are you mad? Because I'm respecting my husband. Try me. If you do anyhow, you see anyhow. Try me again.
Let us go inside. Won't you go and continue with your business? Do you want your food to spoil?
Let it spoil. Let it spoil. Because everything have spoiled already. You want me to be going outside so that people will be laughing at me? Look at her husband Ntanta is small. Is that what you do? You know the shame?
Let them talk now. Is it not only talking? They are free to say whatever they want to say.
How about me? Do you know how I feel when they're telling me that? Do you know how I will feel?
How about me that have the small Ntanta? Maybe I should go and commit suicide. For having small Ntanta.
You people have exposed everything already. Now I'm going to him now.
Oh, leave that in. You know it's not about the size. It's about the usage. You can testify now. You know how sugary and sweet it is.
But do they know?
They must not know. Oh yeah, Meliji, Kaliaha. Leave it like that. Hapukelende mwadna sere. The small and that will deal with you now.
I'm not laughing.
Where are those Yamalek psychiatric candidates? Members of the Yamalek? You think he ends inviting me or where? Come outside it. The fight, the real war has just begun. You think he ends inviting? Come out. Yes.
Okay,
come out.
What is going on here?
Officer,
Is it the one?
Him and his wife picked me up.
Mr. C, you're under arrest, you and your wife. Where is she?
Officer, my wife is not around. And please, what is going on?
You are a liar! Officer is a liar. She must have heard our voice and went to hide herself inside.
You are under arrest for molesting and assaulting this lady.
Yes, so.
Where is your wife?
My wife is not around.
I said, where is she? Officer, search her out.
Yes, sir.
Search out the culprit.
Officer, search very well. Make sure you search under the bed and the coolers too. For war. I will give you war. I will give you war. By the time I'm done with you, you understand.
Well, there's no one there.
No what? It's a lie. Did you search under the bed?
There's no one there.
Did you search the cupboard?
There is no one
the
there.
The cool and come?
There is no one there.
You must follow us to the station. Eh? Your wife will come and meet us when she gets our message. But I told you. She has to appear by herself, otherwise we'll come and bundle her to the station. Move.
Move it, walk up.
Move, you have the right to remain silent.
Let me lock my door. Let me lock my door. Lock which door? Officer, I cannot lock any door.
Move. Rosa, my neighbor. Move. Rosa.
Move it. Maybe they should carry you too. Move it.
What kind of troublesome person is this?
Well, you guys you are free to join the action too, if you want. Are we friends? Trouble every day.
Ogugoa pepper rice, yo. Now one in town. You know get back to Alicia Mechaka. Very hot and sweet, yo. Ogugoa pepper rice, yo. Ogugoa pepper rice. Anyhow you want them, she go put them for you. Ogugoa pepper rice. Oh, but the beans in our sauce. Ogugoa pepper rice. Plantain and meat is a Ogugoa pepper rice. If you want the rice and spaghetti, Ogugoa pepper rice. If you want the entertainment,
Pepper rice, Ogugoa pepper rice, oh, delicious rice, Ogugoa pepper rice, oh. Thank you, Oga. My container is safe. Oh yeah.
Baby, can see it now.
Sorry. I had emergency.
Where you go?
Don't be angry. I had emergency. I had to rush.
Just keep on seeing as long as you won't finish person.
I'm sorry now.
I don't want to see you. Ofaku now. I want Ofaku.
There's no faku today.
I don't faku
I
today.
told you.
Oh, Ogugoa.
I
Yeah. Just
Give me rice and spaghetti.
Push two. That's a good now. Why your phone they ring now, Oga? How is the people you open? Oh, you know it.
Pepper rice, Ogugoa pepper rice,
Who only this and spaghetti?
I'm coming.
Madam, sir, my own servant.
Let her relax. I'm not being big.
Calm down.
Calm down. No, relax, I beg.
I'll take them for you because you have
Ogugoa special.
Give me some for rice and spaghetti.
Special delicacy.
Give me this one.
Pepper rice, Ogugoa pepper rice,
Fast now.
pepper rice.
Give me spoon now.
Ogugoa pepper
I don't beg you for spoon.
Pepper, don't worry.
Wait, now you step.
I dey give entertainment.
You be comedian, no?
I'm gonna do good. Just give me to only this.
You know how they be now.
Come here.
You know how they be now. Before the day run down.
No problem, I'm coming. No problem. I should have covered you.
Ogugoa.
Give me that.
My
Special.
If you waste me time here.
Give me rice and spaghetti. I'll
Rice
get
and
to order you now.
spaghetti.
Rice and spaghetti. Just let them do it.
Ogugoa rice, Ogugoa rice,
Pepper
rice, Ogugoa pepper.
Make a hold.
Okay, wait.
Pepper rice,
Nah, this rice is small.
pepper rice, oh ha. My brother, you know the economy.
This rice more now. That's the way they're talking. I know
Pepper rice, Ogugoa pepper rice,
if anything happen to this rice, I
oh,
go
who
to
dey call me again? My money. After I go give you change.
I know they hear what you say.
I dey go sir. Hello? Neighbor,
Immediately you left the house, Rosa came in with some policemen to arrest your husband.
Police?
Your husband has been arrested.
Jesus.
Yes, and they took him to the station with them.
Chimo. Wait, which police station did they take my husband to?
It must be this A division close to us here now. Which other police station will they take him to? So you better rush down to the police station. They were asking after you when they came. That's why I'm calling you. Bye.
Okay, thank you.
Madam, are you okay?
you know get back to Alicia Mechaka. Very hot and sweet, yo. Ogugoa pepper rice, yo. Ogugoa pepper rice. Anyhow you want them, she go put them for you. Ogugoa pepper rice.
Today's market is just a waste. From one trouble to another. If I'd known, I wouldn't have cooked this food now. Rosa. Chuku ga akpogo oku. For frustrating me like this, Chuku ga akpogo oku.
Garden boot for leg. Ogugoa pepper rice. She wear apron for body. Ogugoa pepper rice. With the fine heart where they her head, yo. Ogugoa pepper rice.
You see, we are going to try our possible best to broker peace between the two families.
DP, I don't want peace, please. It's not peace.
For the peace, they say is golden. For peace, they say is golden. It's on the premise of our inability to achieve peace between the two families that we are going to charge the case to court.
Yes, so court. Court it is. Court, that is what I want. I want us to go to court. Court or nothing.
Ogugoa no see. Rosa here is alleging that both of you beat her up together.
Rosa okay, the side. Okay, he's a liar, she's a liar. A born liar.
What is the lie about it? Is it that you did not beat her up?
Yes, two of us did not beat her. I'm the only one that beat her blue and black. I will accept it, DPO. I'm the one that beat her because of what she did. My husband only came to separate the fight. Did my husband touch you?
Did you hear? Proudly. Hey!
Let me tell you what she did, DPO. Do you know what she did?
Listen to you. She exposed. This woman is like, stop talking! You are interrupting me.
Back in the public of Igwe Madu, she stripped my husband naked. Showed my intanta to the public compound. Where is it done? If woman strips you naked, sir, will you like it, sir? This is my pride, sir. And she did it. So when I came back, I was very angry. It's only natural for me to react. But for my husband, he did not touch her.
Why would you strip a full-grown man like this?
DPO, sir. You know when you are dealing with two pathological liars, I mean husband and wife, that are born liars, you have to treat with caution. These two witches and wizards that you are seeing here are nothing but bloody liars. Look at what happened here. Let me explain it for you. I was only having what you call argument, mere argument with this palm wine tapper husband of hers, this vulcanizer useless man. All of a sudden, sir, his wrapper flew off his waist. Obviously, he must have tried to loosen it in a bit to seduce me, or the wave, I wouldn't know, but touching this man, I never touched him.
It's a lie, you
couldn't have been.
Rosa, you were the one that stripped me. You removed my wrapper from my waist. Why you go mad? You are the one.
Ask him to show you evidence. Respect.
If you don't point me like that, don't point at me. I will beat you again. I will beat you.
I will beat you. I will black and blue here. See. I said I will beat you and beat your husband. I will beat you and beat your husband.
I said enough.
Don't ever insult my husband.
Rosa, say the truth.
I think my husband is your husband.
It's you I'm respecting. It's you I am respecting
Not
here.
in my office.
It's not for you. If you talk to me again, you might like
you will not do anything.
It is you I'm respecting.
Now, the two of you, Osi and Ogugoa, I'll have to take you to where you belong, behind the camera, until I'm able to profile a solution to this mess. Alright? Sergeant! You know it's true. You know that was alright.
DPO, you don't know this people. You see these people, they are very bad people. Don't mind all this nonsense they are saying there. They are not good people at all. Do you know that me and these people used to be very good neighbors? I was extremely nice to them, like I took them like my own family.
So what changed?
Yeah, please hurry up. I have an appointment with my doctor for 1. Are you sick? Not really. You know, it's been 3 years, more than 3 years now since we're married. No issue yet. Yeah. So while we are waiting on God to do his own, I'm trying to do my own too.
Yeah. People say do you know that your neighbor? That your short neighbor now, that same mama put. And hey, the husband is the organizer. Yes, so the other day she came here, she said a lot of bad things about you. That you are a harlot. That you lived a bad life. That if your husband isn't picked on the road and just decided to marry you as auto pity now, she even said that your womb is already damaged though. She even said that you've done multiple abortions, and for that, you'll never be able to conceive.
Eh?
Babe, I just wanted to hold myself. I wanted to fight her. Because you're my friend now. How can she just be saying all those bad things about you? Baby, what's going to happen? You know level. I said, my friend? She said, yes. No, like she's sure.
Wait. Ogugoa.
Yes.
Said all that about me to you.
I didn't they forget some things. Osman, if their head. No, from there, your husband saw you on the road, manager, where you stand, they look for customer. He just managed to pick you. As he pick, he managed to just pity you and marry you. And I was shocked. People,
Wait a minute. The Ogugoa that I took like my sister, the only person I talked to in that compound, said all these damaging things about me to you.
People can be funny. You go to trust people. You never even start. She said it. I swear with my life. I said I wanted to fight her. Just the spirit of God in me and someone back. Don't fight. Because you're my friend now. Don't trust that girl. Run away from her. Hey, ask for my warogi.
No, they tire you. Troubles, no, they tire you. You'll be trouble, woman, no. Anytime you enter the wahala.
You should quick to go to work. As you see now, this is narcissism day. All our bosses, this narcissism period, people they plan for well. I need to go make a put eye for the ticket when they sell because they go check.
You don't grab it. Listen to that one. I'm not coming here for all this long talk. I'm coming from the doctor.
Waiting doctor talk.
Doctor said you need to go and do series of tests.
Oh, a series of tests. Any problem? Okay. I don't get any problem for that. Why you say that?
There don't need to be any problem before you run tests. You have to run the test first. Then it is left for the doctor to conclude whether you have problem or not. So you can't sit here and be talking to me about not having any problem. Go and run the test. I don't run my own. It is now remaining you.
You look at your face. What is it? Because what people they ask you, if you say problem day, the thing they bother you.
Problem day because people are evil. So many witches and wizards everywhere. You know that short woman devil called Ogugoa? Can you believe that she has been going about telling everybody that cares to listen? Destroying my name and damaging my character. Before strangers, that series of abortion I committed before getting married to you was what damaged my womb. That I, loser, does not have any womb.
Can't talk to that one. When that time talk will come out.
Only a witch can say that. No, you have to be flying at night for you to have that kind of evil mind. Imagine that girl talking like as if she grew up with me. Or she was the one escorting me to the doctors for abortion.
What do we do? You tell me that kind of thing.
Forget about it. It's not necessary. What is important is that people's imaginations are evil, full of wickedness. Imagine cooking up such lie, demonic lie from the pit of hell to destroy my name. When they stay like this, their mind is full of evil. Imagine that kind of imagination.
You should say this person will tell you this thing, not the right. You sure?
My dear, the person can never lie to me. In fact, the person has never, ever lied to me before in this world. Yes. And besides, this person does not have any reason whatsoever to tell me lies. You see, Ogugoa, if they tell you that she did anything, believe it. Better believe it. Short people are evil. My father used to tell me that.
You see, as I dey here, I no get time for cha. I dey very busy. You see, this is our first boss now. They don't roll finish. They don't come out. You see, with the second one won't begin rolling now. You see how this how we reverse. They don't need to cheat us for this place.
That's okay, please. This is not the reason I came here was to inform you to go and run your series of tests.
No problem.
Check it now.
Neighbor, this market is something else.
Now I ask you, who is your neighbor? Listen to me, Ogugoa. I can never be a neighbor to a witch. You are a witch. And I tell you something, you and your husband will crumble for all the evil you've done against me.
Rosa, are we quarreling?
Are we not quarreling before, pretender? Backstabber! Are we not quarreling before? Listen to me. You see you and that your God-forsaken miserable husband. I have declared war between us.
What?
It is
Why?
war. Going forward from today, it is war between us. Otherwise, it is war. It is war, and you will crumble for all the evil you've done against me. Go back. People.
Yay! So this is how you just wake up. Trouble will just come like that.
The only thing I said was never. With excitement, why is she not talking to me like that? I don't want trouble at all. Nobody should look for my trouble. If you people are carrying trouble up and down, I'm unavailable.
You know your husband might be right. So how are we sure she said those things? I know saloon girls are fond of gossips.
That's not my problem right now. Seriously.
So what is your problem?
My problem is for these two people to spend the night in the police cell. I don't want them to come out. I want them to enter cell.
They are citizens and they have the right to bail.
DPO, I know. Please, delay their bail till tomorrow morning. Let them spend the night. At least one night.
You must understand that they are citizens. They have rights to bail.
DPO, I know. Please, just do this for me. I don't want these people to come out. I just want to teach them a strong lesson. Let them sleep for self. For assaulting me. Look at what that lady did to me. That lady disgraced me in front of people. DPO, that lady, no. She deserves to spend the night in the police cell. Please, just help me achieve this. It's a goal I'm focused on, please. My highest goal.
Well, it's going to cost extra money.
How much?
50,000.
DPO, my man. 3,000 is too much. Where do I want to get that kind of money from? DPO, you be my person. You are my man. I can be in kind of. You can go somewhere and have a solid threats.
What happened to this place?
Yeah? Are you not afraid of scandal? Someone can walk in on us.
Not when I have my door personally locked.
Yeah. Bad man, DPO. The bad man. Eh? Wow. Eh? Hey. It's true. Hey. DPO. My one. I just want these people to spend their night in the police cell. I need them to spend the night.
Ogugoa.
Hell, I told you nobody plays with me. I mean, no bloody body plays with me and goes scot-free.
Please tell me, how did you do it?
How I did it? Exactly how I should do it. As I speak to you right now, both of them are spending the night at the police cell. I've lodged them free of charge.
Hey!
Yes, so...
Only you strip the man naked. Only you beat up the wife. Same Tell me you still locked up husband and wife in cell.
This is just the beginning.
Babe, I'm giving you a title. Wanyi Kibia. Odogo Wanyi.
Girl.
Okura Karisa.
Only me.
You tried.
Only me.
I'm proud of you.
By the time I'm done dealing with those witches and wizards, I will run them out of that compound.
Good. Nice one. Show them Pepe.
Oh no.
I'm solidly behind you.
I don't like talking too much. You know I believe so much in action.
Yes.
Because action speaks louder than voice. By the time mosquito finish sucking their blood tonight, heat finish dealing with them tonight, and maybe police people, you know all those police people and how they behave, dealing with her.
And why? Babe,
she will understand.
I'm so proud of you. I like him. Kenya Hosso. Igenya Hosso. Show them Pepe. My baby. I'm Madi Chanwa.
All the Yaba left candidate that I'm living on in the same compound with is God that will punish all of you. They think it's by fighting Rosa. It's not by fighting you. It is not about fighting Rosa. It is about what will happen to you and when you finish fighting Rosa. Because Rosa is war herself. She is the battle herself. I will give it to every one of you, bomber to bomber. Now she and her husband have got problem. They are going to spend a night at the police station. Yes, sir. Made possible by one and only Rosalie. Rosalie. Yes, I made it possible. Yes, so mosquito go chop them. Suck husband blood. Suck wife blood. Heat go still deal with husband. Deal with wife. Police people go still collect their own joint. Any bastard, any Yaba candidates member that have decided not to allow me drink water and drop cup in this house, in this compound, a police station go decide. I have come to stay here. Now I go run. No be me go run. No. Now I go run. No peace for the wicked. I keep minding my business in this compound. People say no, I'm a fool. By the time I finish dealing with these two people, the rest will learn. And any idiot that dares to enter the war, you go feel it. Then go feel it. Then go hear it.
Oh no, wow. How can husband and wife sleep in police cell for a matter they are not at fault? Now what? God will help us in this compound.
Trouble's not a tire you. You'll be trouble, woman, no. Anytime we enter now, can't you allow peace to reign? Wait till the matter. Talk come now.
Rosalie, I think say you say Usi and the wife go sleep for police cell today.
Done and dusted. They are spending the night already there. Can't you see? By the time I'm done dealing with these people, the next time they hear Rope talk more of Zach, they will disappear from anything that concerns me, including looking for my trouble. It ends today.
Even I say they don't hear the name, Rosalie, they don't come back.
Oh, what are you saying?
Usi and Ogugoa.
What?
Two of them.
In your dream island or where?
I see two of them the entire yard just now.
Yeah, it's like you want to replace them or something. No, do you want me to ask the police people to take you in exchange for them? Eh? What kind of joke is that? Don't even talk that kind of joke with me! What kind of joke is that?
Not be joke, bro. Not be joke. You don't know Nigerian police again? They dey outside you as they talk to you now.
Huh? Yeah, give it.
I don't keep saying. You know why you want to confess you?
Not the tire you. Troubles not the tire you. You'll be trouble, woman, no.
Okay, dust them. They don't dust you come back. Come back, no.
Welcome. So after all the mouth making that people sleep in that position, you're not going to sleep in this yard today. Go past them.
Yeah, so
Yes, so God really passed them.
My sister, there is nobody on earth that will say a word and it will come to pass if not God.
Bam!
Even President of America will say something, it will not happen. Not to talk of one attaching one banshee that is living in face me and face you. He wants to use us to redeem us.
It's not possible for them to sleep in the cell when I'm involved.
Welcome.
Anna, you try first.
It's not possible now. They can't sleep in the cell when I'm involved.
I know.
Neighbor!
Just go in and rest.
Let us go. We need to rest.
Yeah, go and rest. I'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you, my good neighbors.
Good night.
Gloria, good night, oh.
Good night.
She dey carry trouble for her. Wahala woman.
So these people granted these people bail after sleeping with me in his office. This is pure wickedness. This man is devilish. Hey! This man has fallen my hands off. After all my boasting. Don't take this. This man has slept with me for nothing. Eh? This man has slept with me for nothing. Hey! Chai! Chukwu okike abịama ịlụka ekene dịrị gị. I return all the glory to you. Odim, I never believed that we will sleep in this house today.
Thank God, oh. I thank God.
You know, get back to Alicia Mechaka. Very hot and sweet, yo. Ogugoa baby rice, yo. Ogugoa baby rice. Anyhow you want them, she go put them for you. Ogugoa baby rice. Ogugoa beans in our sauce. Ogugoa baby rice. Plantain and meat is ogugoa. Ogugoa baby rice. If you want the rice and spaghetti, yo. Ogugoa baby rice. If you want the entertainment, yo. Ogugoa baby rice. She wear them boot for leg. Ogugoa baby rice.
Ogugoa, you're back.
Yes, now I have to go. So where is your husband?
Your husband is in the police custody.
Chimo, what kind of job is this? And I don't know anybody. What do I? Okay, forget Rosanna and a compounder.
Don't worry. I have a lawyer who attends the same church with me. Let's go and meet him. He can help us grant your husband bail.
No, thank you. I don't know what I've done in this compound without you. Let me quickly keep this thing. But you see this thing Rosabel is doing, God will judge her. Just wait, contact me, intimidate him in this compound. Okay, come my husband will go. What did he say?
He said he's very busy now, that we should wait till evening.
Gloria, evening is too far. I don't even know what is happening to my husband there.
Let's just wait now. What can we do?
Okay, I know what I will do. Let me just be going to the police station. Let me go and know if my husband is okay. When he's ready, you can come with him.
Okay, no problem.
Because my mind will not be at rest.
No problem, just go. Okay?
Thank you. God bless.
All right, I'm coming.
Now one in town, you know get back to Alicia Chaka. Very hot and sweet.
I had already forgotten about Gloria and her lawyer. Till our names were mentioned, I was surprised.
God came through. God, thank Gloria. God will bless Gloria.
Amen.
Chukuya Gosiarinde.
Obi, Gloria is not our neighbor. She's now a friend.
Family.
I think that useless woman. That useless Rosa.
Ogugoa is okay. God has already taken place. Just leave everything for him to handle it.
I just saw it.
I'll be the next.
Ogugoa pepper rice, yo. Now one in town. You know get back to Alicia Nechaka. Very hot and sweet, yo. Ogugoa pepper rice, yo. Ogugoa pepper rice. Anyhow you want them, she go put them for you. Ogugoa pepper rice.
I called this meeting because of what I heard. I heard about the ugly incidents that took place in this compound yesterday. To the extent that policemen were involved. This once peaceful compound. What happened?
Caretaker, Ogugoa the witch happened.
Caretaker, thank you. No mind. Now marriage. Marriage, now it happened though. Now marriage happened.
Oga Caretaker, please forget these comedians. Let me tell you what has been going on in this compound. From what I know. It started the day I was coming back from market. And I saw neighbor one.
Neighbor kill you there. I am not your neighbor and can never be your neighbor. Have you seen
Ekwapo. As I was saying, I saw neighbor and I started hailing her neighbor, or come. I continued with excitement as usual. She started insulting me. This girl, there is no name she did not call me. From there, Oribana, my husband.
Your Papa husband, you mean?
Rosa, can you allow her to talk now, please?
That now got me angry. I could not take it from her. Let's assume that I offended my neighbor. She was supposed to come here and say, Ogugoa, this is what you did to me. And I'll say, Rosa, I'm sorry. She never told me of anything. I cannot remember doing anything wrong to her. Also, cause one be ufuobi, ajobi, obi butalivo, buri ebata compounder. We know so everywhere, oko. Since then, she declared war. She said I will not have peace, that I will not drink water and keep calm. I cannot, because I'm humble and nice, and allow this stupid woman, this witch, humble and nice. I said I will not take it. If you're looking for the person that is catching the peace in this compound, the serenity, the tranquility, the hold Rosa responsible. Look at her here. Architect of Unsobu. Fire!
I want to ask you, what did Ogugoa did to you that made you declare war on her against her? Tell us here, let us settle the matter now. What did she do to you?
Caretaker, number one. Firstly, there is no settlement between me and this witch. It can never happen. Thunder from Okitipopo. We visit her for me.
That's it, not that we visit you. Visit this young partner and the husband and you.
That's exactly what she did.
Oh yeah, what did I do?
Caretaker. Only in Afueba knows exactly what she did.
What did she do to you?
I don't want to banter words with her. She's just a pretender. You cannot tell a pretender who knows exactly what they did.
You are a liar, no evidence. If you're certain that I offended you, say it here. Can you go because man I job in Amusi na time and kwege.
Wait, so we'll start bantering words as what? We're not in the same class. I cannot do that. It's for the time being. I'm not
him. You cannot intimidate me. Who is looking for trouble? One caretaker. Have you heard it?
Troublesome woman.
Kata no dey tire you. Troubles no dey tire you. You be trouble woman, no. Anytime you enter na wahala, can't you allow peace to reign? Waiting be the matter. Talk about.
By the time I'm done dealing with the both of you, I'm going to Nabi, which are wizard. You people run out of this compound.
You will not do anything. If you talk too much, I'll beat you black. I can say it again. Highest you do is to go and call DPO. They will arrest us. We'll go there. I'll beat you again.
And mosquito will chop you again, which is a wizard.
This idiot. It's not something I
beat me again.
Think I'm your husband, your woman.
Wizard.
You are the witch. You are the wizard. This is another witch and wizard. You think everybody's your husband that you have used for ritual?
Okay, let us go inside.
My love, let me help you. Allow me to talk to this fool. No, this is a fool. Come on, what on your?
No. Rapid insult. Rapid as Eminem that you are. Rapid insult. What do you know? You see you people. You just carry the chair and be going inside. Hungry people.
The husband.
You're running away.
The husband don't take him inside. Make we enter our own house.
Inside, let me talk, cousin. No, when women are talking, you, woman rapper, will just come on, go inside, don't say so, idiots. Don't make me lose my temper. Get inside. Get inside now. Get inside.
No problem. Okay.
Osemo, come, let's go inside. You are who? I am coming for you, idiot. Woo!
So that is the problem of this compound. Everybody knows. Even the caretaker knows exactly who is the problem. You'll be trouble, woman. Anytime you enter the wahala, in the name of meeting, yard meeting, I don't know why he should go and deal with Shaka directly. Deal with the person causing the problem in the compound. Why would you go for a meeting that at the end of the day should not bring out any result? I think you should meet the lawyer. You're correct. She be Rosa. She doesn't want to listen to anybody. That will stop the drama in the compound. Trouble woman. Antonio is a good man. He doesn't like trouble. But he's married to a bad wife. So he should face the consequences of marrying a bad wife. She be trouble woman. She ready for wahala.
From the little findings I made after what happened at the meeting, it's obvious your wife is the problem of this compound. She is practically looking for Ogugoa's troubles all the time. Ogugoa on her own part wants peace to reign. But no, your wife wouldn't want any peace. She wants war, war and more war. Warn your wife. Warn her. She will cease from that nonsense. The next time I will hear any report from her, from this compound, pertaining your wife, I am going to send your name to the landlord as problem tenant and ask for possible eviction. Did you hear what I just said now?
I don't hear with you. My problem is that she know the hear what. I go talk to her. I don't tell her. Sometimes you look at some things like this, you come out eye. I don't tell her me not agree here. But I go tell her.
She doesn't have any option than to listen, unless you want to leave this place. Unless you are expecting a quick notice from me.
It never reach like that. It never reach like that. No worry, I go try talk to her. I beg.
I'm going.
I beg. Lozarine. You see him now?
No! It is my God that will judge all of you in this compound, including you. You this doggy man that is sitting there looking at me. Yes, God will judge you. You are a very useless husband. Yes. Oh, you stood and watched another man. Watch all of them. Blame me. Disrespect me. Your wife. A woman you paid her full bride price. Or did you not pay? No, did you not pay him full? But you could not defend your wife. You stood there watching them disrespect a woman you paid money to marry. And you say you are a man. I'm telling you.
I pay everything, no. I pay. But no verse. No verse for me. For the compound, they say that you the cause problem for compound.
That will fire you. No. Anayo. It is one thing that is holding me back. If not, with the way it is in my mind, I would have just descended on you with my full might. You are a very useless man.
Me?
A total weakling. In fact, you are nothing but a not man enough. That is what you are. Yes, sir. 2 women quarreled. They ganged up against him, sat down, analyzed the whole situation. After that, they now come in agreement that the problem is me. Me? How? No, how? No, if you want to blame, you blame all of us, not to blame one person. Why would I be the only person that will be singled out for blame? Why? The most annoying thing is that my supposed husband sat there and could not utter a word, not even to raise a defense for his wife. Shame on you, this man. You are an evil man.
No wonder they talk it. I think say na right they tell they right.
Who talk?
They talk and say that you be the problem of the compound. You be the problem.
Abba, listen to me. If you repeat that thing, if you ever call me the problem of the compound again, it will not end like this. We will not see action. Watch your mouth. No, begin to watch your mouth. Watch your mouth. I will not take that thing from you here. Watch your mouth. When they are talking about Husband Association of Nigerian Men, you will come out. You half man. In serious, not man enough, you come out. To do what? Shame on you.
I'm not your husband.
You are nothing but a not man enough.
You are the work when they do.
Which work? No, which work? Shame on you. No, which work? Show me the result of the work you are doing. If your working does not have result, then there's nothing you will explain. Tire, no evidence. That is it.
Owam, I want you to stop quarreling with Rosaline.
But Obim, you know I'm not the one looking for her trouble.
Yes, I know. You are not the one looking for her trouble, but you can avoid it when she comes.
See, what I cannot do is sit down and watch somebody disrespect me. Or my husband. I will not take it from any human being. Disrespect me and disrespect my husband at the same time.
Just ignore her. Ignore her.
I can't promise you that. Oh, yeah, Fiamma, oh, you bumaka.
Okay, Bugaka. What is difficult in avoiding a mad woman's rant? Don't you know that people will think that both of you are mad?
Obim is a liar. Even you and other people know that you married a good, happy, peaceful, jolly, good fellow. I don't look for trouble. Yes. But what I cannot do is to sit down and watch somebody use me and do play ball with me. I cannot do it, Makachi. If you look for my trouble, I will give it to you. I will give it to you, Woto. I don't tolerate nonsense. So.
I'm telling you now, as your husband, to deviate from any issue you are having with that woman. I am the head of this union and my word is final.
I've heard, no problem.
Please, stop replying her. You are not mad.
It was so bad the caretaker himself had to come beg me in my house. I mean, he literally knelt down, really pleaded with the name of God for me to forgive those two idiots.
Yeah.
Who am I not to forgive? I'm not evil like that. And who am I not to respect an elderly man like my caretaker? So I listened to him, called the commissioner to please release them. The idiots have been released.
Oh, the one brother name.
Yeah.
My sister.
You don't want to know. As I speak to you right now, literally everyone in that compound is begging me. They've been begging. Like, they are very scared of me. If I do, all of them will run inside their rooms. Close their door.
Good.
So is that bad right now?
I like him kissing the boy.
I said I am the reigning queen.
My babe, I like the way you handle the issue. Next time she will be careful.
Yeah, you know people are crazy, right?
Yeah.
Just because they meet you on the streets, they think, oh, this one, she's a towel, she doesn't have sense, she can easily be used. No way. And I don't talk too much. You know, because I'm humble, friendly. Some idiots actually think I'm a weakling, I'm some coward. Nope. The fact you see someone on the streets doesn't mean that the person is a tout or senseless.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah.
No, she needed to be taught that lesson. They needed to be taught that lesson.
They don't know.
Next time they won't mess with
They don't know. I like the way you're showing them pepper. Come on, now what go doctor Carissa?
Just the beginning for them. A tip of the iceberg.
That's my baby. Baby girl. You are showing them pepper.
Marriage no easy at all. Brother, let me say you talk. It no easy. It can't be we say we don't move for us finish. It's not easy.
I hope say you know they try complain. I hope say you know they try complain because I know say a lot of people want you. Me sef I follow want you. I say make you no marry that woman, but you don't listen. You no listen.
You see this thing where you dey talk. Sometimes I will look you like say whether your sense dey complete. You see Rosalind, I know they use the matter play. I love that girl. Now my wife you be. You see as Rosalind dey, I no fit stay one day without her. Na wetin dey call love be that.
You sure say na love be that?
Wetin e be? Rehearsal.
See, wetin you wan tell me now say woman go just dey, e go disrespect you. Anything wey you tell am, you no dey do am. You no dey use one ear hear wetin you tell am. You tell am sit here, you no go sit. Go here, no go go. You talk say that thing na love. Take am well o.
We go soon for them. Na my wife we dey talk about. Na you dey use the demonstrate dey give me. You see this matter, e big pass me and you. So make we leave am. Make we no quarrel. Make we no quarrel. I don dey want you dey come see so.
I don't leave the matter for you. I don't leave am. Marry your wife. I don't leave am for you.
Odigo! Pepper rice Ogugoa.
Forget about this.
Pepper rice Ogugoa. Neighbor. My sweet neighbors, are you providing to that as usual?
You say we get rice.
Of course, nah. Spaghetti. Your favorite, nah.
Plantain.
Is that one same thing?
But see, make you get understanding. I no get money now, cash now. But by the time you come back from market, trust me now, I go deliver.
Okay.
I go deliver.
Neighbor, you know you're my first customer this morning. And you know how it is. You're supposed to sell with cash before you start selling credit. But no problem. You're my good neighbor. I cannot allow hunger to...
Oh, serious?
Let me put food for you. I can't say no to you now.
You say this is your food, and they keep this country together. This is your food, and they keep this country together. As it is sweet, so they enter the body.
I better my own. No problem.
Ogugoa pepper rice, now one in town. You know get back to Alicia.
Okay, I'll pay for your food. But if I tell you, say you fine girl, make you share. You know, here. Put on well, don't be like say come on subsidy for the food.
Neighbor, it's cheap, it's liquidate company.
Oh, no. But you go, don't say come on subsidy. Say your meat thick, as usual.
Ogugoa pepper rice, now one in town. You know get back to Alicia.
Oh, serious?
The international coup.
Forget it, you get it.
My neighbors, thank you people. I like the way you people are always buying and supporting my business.
If you don't support you, who will?
I love your neighbors.
The matter is here now.
No be lie. No be lie.
Hey. I used enough curry.
Oh, serious? Now only you they run am. After you, now you. Before you save, now see you. I'm down.
Wait, I'll put for you. I'm a man in a line.
But me, I want this one.
Don't worry, let me give you that.
My girl. Hello, Sisi.
My customers will be waiting for me now.
And you see the make shakara? Hey, touch me again.
Oh, love no can they no rice and the crib. Love
yeah. Pepper rice, now one in town. You know get back to Alicia. Very
hot. Don't spaghetti.
Hey, you want?
Yes.
You dey enter body. Oh, serious? You dey enter body.
Ooh.
Thank you.
Wait.
This time you feel am. Go too sweet.
I put the star down.
It's like God that wants to fire some people this morning. When did this one start? No starting when? Gloria. When did this nonsense start? Okay, you people now leave your domot to come and be littering my own domot with this poisonous smelling dirty food.
Not too bad.
Eh? No, when did we start communicating like that?
Not too bad. Rosa, not too bad. You know, really rich like that.
God will punish you. Ekwensu! So you no longer sell your food in your domot. It's now in my domot that you want to be selling your food to poison me, Okwaya. This rat poison that you are carrying up and down.
Neighbor, in the yard, how is the food?
Finish work.
Very, very sweet.
After you, now you. Before you, I see you.
This poisonous food you people are eating will purge you. Both of you will purge.
Never reach like that.
I promise. And as for you, you will sell on credit today.
Remember, when I go back.
Before you go come back, your money go ready. It's safe and guaranteed. I go even pay for her.
Thank you.
God will punish all of you. Ogugoa, you see you, I wish you bad luck this morning. On credit, that is what you will get.
Neighbor,
on credit,
won't you people wish me well?
Ah, good luck.
You will finish
Good
It's
everything.
backfired. Ogugoa, it will not be well with you. You see you and this your food. God will punish you. God will punish you today. Not only credit, you will accept today. God will punish you.
You make it.
And as for you,
make it.
What of you? They are making jest of me. No, I now look like mockery to you, Akwaya.
No.
You see you, evil genius, both of you. I tell you something. By the time I go back to drop spray this my towel, and come back and jam you here.
No, if that because of the rest, I go sweep and
No,
move.
wait for me. Come.
No, vex.
No, wait. You people want madness. Madness you will see.
You never really reach like that, man.
Please, let's go.
You never really reach like that, man.
Where are you going? Come back, oh. Come back. Don't go anywhere. Wait for me. I'm coming. Wait. Woo! And one more. I pity idiot. Don't run. Come out, bloody coward. Come out.
Rosa, I'm just respecting my husband though. I'm just respecting my husband. You know you don't have bad mouth more than me.
I know what is hot in your heart. Because God has blessed me with a rich, handsome husband. A husband that takes very good care of me, that doesn't joke with me. And that has the gagam, unlike that pencil, that pink finger that your husband is carrying up and down. I saw it, oh!
I'm just respecting my husband. If not, I will not just insult you. I will beat you blue and black. Ijebo police idiot, useless woman.
Woo! No wonder you are bitter. There's no way that pink finger can satisfy a woman. I know it. That pink finger can never satisfy. If you swear that pink finger satisfies you, I won't get you. You fainted the last time. This time you will die.
Senseless, restless she-goat. Onuku. Every time now trading I con very bitter soul. Rubbish. I do woman. Each and I'm beginning where I call. Rubbish.